Hey guys, Lovecraft78 here with another video. Today's video we are playing some Universe Sandbox. So this is a game that I really enjoy. It's super fun. If you like space, it's like a really fun kind of space simulator, but you can just mess around and do whatever you want. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So as you see, we have a simulation of the universe. So we'll just go to Earth. Ooh. So the reason it's spinning so fast is because we're actually going 14.8 days per second. So every second this video is 14 days for Earth time. So this game's crazy because you can actually turn it down. So like right now, actually wait, there we go. So every 2 seconds of this video is 2 seconds of Earth time. So this is basically like 100% realistic version of Earth right now. Obviously, it's not 100% realistic because we can just like throw meteors at it. So, but yeah, this is like super, I guess, real time. So it's kind of hard to play it real time because nothing happens for a while. So we'll play it this. So I guess a good way to show you guys what you can do with this game is we'll grab the moon here and we'll just actually throw it at Earth and see what happens if the moon were to hit Earth. So as you can see, it just demolishes all of Earth. So now there's just fragments everywhere. The temperature is going up like crazy. The whole planet has just heated up. So now actually what you can do is you can actually just go to basic. Where's temperature? Base temperature, we can just turn that back to 15 and it cools it right down. So as you see, there's still the impact and all the fragments are still hitting it, but we can try to return Earth to its natural form now, which is the fun part. So what we're going to do is we're going to add materials. We're going to add some water. I'm just going to sprinkle some water back onto Earth and hopefully cool it down a little bit, get rid of all this fiery death. So as you can see, the Earth is slowly filling up with water as it's on fire. So, oh my god, that's like ice and water. Like, it's ice and fire. So yeah, that's basically what you can do in this game, and also there's different simulations that you can do. So let's just see. Earth and many moons. Let's see how this plays out. So all the moons are colliding with each other. Earth is still alive. Probably not for long. We should click on this so we can see the temperature. It's heating up. Oh, there's an impact. You see, all the stars are just colliding, all the moons, and there's just fireballs everywhere. It's crazy. Oh, Earth got hit again. Oh, it's taking a beating. Oh, there's a big one. You know what? Just for fun, let's just crank up the size of the Earth just so it like consumes every. Oh, it just turned into a black hole. Rip Earth. Oh, that is so cool. Alright, so we're back to the solar system, and actually one thing I want to try is adding where is it? I'm looking for a specific star. There we go. VY Canis Majoris. As you see, okay, so just to scale, let me just exit this. So, alright, this is Earth. This is where we are right now. Well, not like in Russia, but like right here in North America. And if we add the star right here, this is the size compared to Earth. it is literally like 400 times, no, probably like 4 million times the size of Earth. Like, even look at our sun compared to this. This thing is huge. So what I'm gonna do is, since the gravity is like gonna be superior to everything, I'm just gonna place it here and just watch everything slowly shift that way from the gravity of this. So what we should start seeing is all of these orbits are gonna start turning more and more towards this star here. So if we speed it up a little bit, you can see that even the sun is being pulled, so we are actually getting closer and closer to it. This is one of the many reasons I love this game. It is so much fun. So none of these planets have collided yet, but Mercury is getting really crazy. And as you see, the whole galaxy, or the whole solar system, sorry, is just starting to be consumed by this star. Alright, so everything is just, the orbits have gone crazy, as you can see here. We're getting extremely close, and all these outer meteors are just going straight in. The sun is just a straight line, everything else is orbiting. And once the sun hits this, it should create a supernova, which is going to be amazing to watch. So here we go. Little old Earth is getting so close to this now, it's just a fireball, so rip everyone on Earth. Saturn just collided, Jupiter just collided, Earth, and here comes the sun. Boom, supernova, just like that. So bright, jeez. And the star is still there, still consuming all of the rest of the solar system, and we've made a supernova. So actually now what I'm going to do is I'm going to reload into this solar system, and we are going to, you know what, just for fun, let's click on Earth again. I can't tell if I'm zooming in. There we go. So we're going to slow time down a bit. And if any of you have ever wondered what it would be like to have a soccer ball orbiting Earth, we can do that. So this soccer ball is actually real size as well, like, well, compared to this. So we're actually going to add it, or we're actually going to have this orbiting Earth. So I think I don't know where these soccer balls are going. No, okay, let's slow time down even more. So there we go, soccer ball is orbiting Earth. And actually, if we can click on the soccer ball. There we go. Alright, so now we are watching this soccer ball. And what we'll do is we will change the size to, let's say, let's see what the Earth is. The Earth radius is 6371, so let's make this, let's go like 30, yeah, let's just go 3000, just like that. So we should see this grow a little bit. Maybe not. 300 and 3000. No, it doesn't want me to go with 3000. Right, let's just keep increasing this until we can see it. So actually this is, we're getting at like 5 kilometers thick now, 8 kilometers. Alright, so we're starting to see it now. We're at 508 kilometers wide. Let's add another 0. Oh my god, that is a huge soccer ball. Could you imagine if you were just like on Earth? Let me just go right to, let's go to the USA, and actually you can view from Earth. I mean, it's not really that accurate because that's not what we see. And now we just wait for a giant oh my god. That's crazy. It just flies over us like nothing. Sit here and wait for it. Maybe. Oh my god. That is awesome. So now Earth just has a soccer ball doing laps around it. So let's add a basketball orbiting now. So it starts out at 11 centimeters long. Let's go to 500 kilometers. 500 kilometers, there we go. What is this one? 5,000. So let's make this, let's go 4,000 kilometers. So there we go. Now we got a basketball, a soccer ball, and let's go a giant tennis ball right in between. So I'll wait for the soccer ball to come around so we can see where it is. Right, okay, we'll add it there. Now let's click on our tennis ball here, and we'll change the size of this. Set 2 kilometers and go 3,000. There we go. So now the Earth has a bunch of sporting equipment surrounding it. I don't know what this has come to anymore. You know what? Let's go all the way over here, and we will make this the world's biggest bowling ball. Because, you know, why not? Alright, so this bowling ball is 6,000 kilometers wide. So everything should start shifting slowly towards this because it is getting bigger. Oh my god, that is one big bowling ball. So everything is, oh, rip everyone. Oh my god. I'm gonna say the bowling ball won that one. Yeah. Well, the surface temperature isn't changing, so. Oh, that is an amazing bowling ball. Alright. Alright, we're back at the solar system now. Now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna keep feeding planets into the sun. We're gonna go with Jupiter because it's the biggest. And so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna keep throwing these at the sun so it gets bigger, and then it should start pulling everything in more, and we'll just watch the sun consume everything. So actually that is moving the sun because of the impact. So we're making like a drain now. Alright, there's some more. Oh, I missed with one of the Jupiters. It's leaving now. Alright, actually, you know what? I guess we could probably just... Oh, and we turned it into a supernova. Alright, that's the only thing with this game. It can sometimes be super touchy and you just lose everything. Alright, one last thing I want to do in this episode is add some rings. We'll add Saturn's rings to Earth. We'll add a bunch. And now let's slow down time. Oh, that is cool. Oh my god, there's a bunch of rocks surrounding Earth. Alright, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a moon, our moon, orbiting it in the ring here. So we're probably gonna get a bunch of collisions, and probably the ring will change shape once the moon hits this part, because the gravity of the moon will more likely just like shift everything. So no, it didn't shift it that much actually. So as you see, the moon just breaks through and launches rocks everywhere. Watch from this side now. Just pushes right through, blows everything everywhere. It's like a whirlpool. Gonna watch the Earth for collisions, because these are getting really close. Oh, that one just looped around and just left. Just peacing out. You know what, let's add another Earth orbiting this Earth. Oh, that didn't look like a very good idea. Oh my god, this is a mess. Oh man, that looks so cool though. Man, that moon's just gone, he's just leaving. Oh, we're getting really close. Oh, I bet you these are gonna collide. Oh my god, that is so close. Every time that Earth passes it, it just like slows down like crazy. And this one probably like gains a lot of speed. Yep, and then it slows right down. So actually nothing has hit this yet unless the impact isn't that big. So you know what? Let's add Uranus. Let's just end everything with Uranus, cuz why not? So it's just like, oh my god, that is so cool. It's just throwing everything at Earth. Oh, are they gonna collide? Oh, that was cool. The two Earths collide, and then they just split up into two separate things. So now, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add a Jupiter orbiting this, so it takes that, and then all these rocks should just vacuum up like nothing. And the moon is still just like, the moon's just chilling. He just doesn't know what to do. So yeah, that's basically it for this video, guys. Hope you all enjoyed. If there's anything you want me to do, like say combine 4 suns or whatever, or if there's any scenarios you want me to play out and throw different planets at Earth, just leave it down below and I will do that in the next episode. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you, and goodbye.